A for apple, red color. A for apple, yellow color. B for boy, black color. C for cat, A for apple, B for boy, C for cat. Repeat. A for apple, B for boy, C for cat, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Thanks for watching this video.